All right, guys, I am doing a room tour of our room at the Hilton Playa del Carmen. Our room number is 1227. And when you first come in, this is your view. You have these extra storage space, your mini bar down here, which has some drinks and some beer, as well as waters. There's some chips down here. And then when you come into the bathroom, this beautiful mirror space right here that you see. There's 2 double sinks. We love that. And then there's a closet in here as well, which has some robes and iron and some slippers. And then there's also a scale and a safe in here as well. It's really nice. And then in the bathroom, we have this gorgeous bathroom. Gorgeous bathroom with this huge shower. It has a rain shower and then also side shower as well. And then I also have all of their body wash, shampoo, and conditioner, as well as towels behind the door. And then when you come in here, there is the bedroom. You just have this huge king size bed. And then there's a full length mirror right here. And then also there is plenty of plugs in here. Hilton does really good with that. And then you also have this huge jacuzzi in your room. So that's amazing. It is huge and seats 2 people. It's perfect size. And then also this nice little couch and then table sitting area in case you order room service and want breakfast. And then you come outside and there's this amazing view of the ocean right out here. And then right down here is 5th Street. So this is an amazing view. This balcony is literally huge. And there's a hammock right there hanging out that you can hang across the balcony, as well as 2 sitting chairs. So yeah, this is Hilton Playa del Carmen.